Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is me learning Unreal Engine day. I've got a little fun project that I'm working on, and I'm just trying to learn new stuff as we go. I brought up a documentation window. I don't know exactly. I'm not following any sort of path or anything. I'm just kind of messing around, and that's kind of my that's my way, I suppose. But hello. Okay. For those of you who are unfamiliar with this project, which I have affectionately called Lava Spike, it is just a simple platformer where the floor is lava. Right now the lava is gray. I haven't worried about any textures or anything yet. I'm just trying to get a feel for game dev and in the context of just a simple little game. And I'm just adding stuff to it. Today I'd like to try a couple of things. First of all, I would like to learn how to go from one level to the next. And the second thing I'd like to learn is how to persist data. Not in storage, not in like on the hard drive, but like in memory as we go in between levels. And to do that, what I'm thinking of doing is creating another, basically a collectible class, and I'm going to basically coins or something, I don't know, spheres. Basically collect them and then have a counter go up, and then like have that counter like persist. I guess it should. I guess it depends on the rules of the game. Which the rules of the game are still kind of like nebulous. I'm still trying to like work out exactly how this game is going to function, but I'm just trying to get familiar with the tool. So. That's what we're doing today. I also plan on doing another Swift stream soon. I just downloaded the latest Xcode, and the simulators I think are still installing in the background. So I'll be doing that again one of these days. Anyway, so I guess the thing to do is. The first thing to do is create a new blueprint class that we can put on in the level. And we're gonna need to. Let's do something simple. Simple. I say that now. We know how things tend to get around here. Let's see. We're going to create an actor, and we're going to call it BP collectible. All right, you are collectible. I'm going to double click on you, and let's make it a coin. Make it a coin. Make it a spinny thing. Yeah, I'll make it a spinny coin. I don't know. Whatever. Let's add a component. This is going to be a static mesh. Let's see, we can make it a cube or a sphere or a plane. I kind of want to make it a I want to make it a coin, so there's spheres on the coin. Ah, here we go. Basic shapes. Cylinder. All right, we're gonna make a cylinder, and we're going to. I guess let's mess with the scale, huh? This is going to be. I guess we need to rotate it since it's looking like it's sticking straight up. Here, here's what I'm gonna do. 0.1 scale. Okay, that's queenie. Rotation. Here, wait. I'm trying to use the tool. Where are you at? Rotate. And 90. That looks good. And compile. Materials. Make it a color. How do I do that? Do I have to provide it with some sort of a? Let's click on this. Oh, okay. Yeah, the RGBs. Let's see. If I double click on this, can I just make it? Oh, there we go. Nice and goldy. And okay. Oh, we should make it metallic looking. 0.5. Did that do anything? I don't even know if that did anything. Sure. And save. Apply changes to original material. What's up? Basic shape material. Wait a minute. Did I just change the end? No, whatever. Okay. Let's go. I'm going to drag this up here. Go back to the level. Wait, what are you doing? Back. Here we are. I want to put one of these things on here. So I'm going to grab this BP collectible. I'm just going to bring it right here. Nice. Okay, that's a big fatty coin. Let's see what that looks like. Oh no. It's just staying suspended in air. I need to give it some physics properties, it looks like. Oh, it does have physics properties. It just doesn't move. It's just suspended. It'll collide with the human, but not with the platform. That's interesting. I wonder what that's about. Interesting. I'm actually okay with this. Okay, what I want to do is I want to get better at navigating here. What I want to do is BP collectible needs some sort of interaction. If it is a BP collectible, what I need to do is allow it to get erased if the user picks it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to event graph. What do I do here? This noise disable actor begin overlap. Event when this actor overlaps another actor, for example, a player walking into a trigger. For events when objects have a blocking collision. For example, a player hitting a wall, see hit events. Note, components on both this and the other actor must have B generate overlap events set to true to generate overlap. Okay, I remember that when I went to what was it? Content drawer, here. I have an event graph on my third-person character, and I did this. I said, hey, other on component hit. If you are lava, then we do this whole thing. Maybe what I can do is I can, let's see, this is using tag because third-person character doesn't know anything about its surroundings. Could I say, let's see, double click on this and bring this node down over here. And then could I be like, whoops, actions for 2 things now. I would like to, a new node, and is actor is type, actor, let's see. Get component by class. Searches components array and returns first encountered and component of the specified class. Get parent component. Get owner. How am I allowed? How can I see what is the actor type? Now I know that I before was using actor has tag, but I would like to say how do I say as of type? Get all child actors. Hey, you returned. Now properly stocked up on cough drops and sliced turkey pepperoni. Oh, is it cold cuts today? Very cool. Wait a minute. Sliced turkey pepperoni. Are you making pizza? Cocoa time. What is attached? Final actors which are attached directly to a component in this actor. Get the owner of this actor. I just want to know what kind of an actor it is. How do I find out what kind of an actor it is? I guess I can keep on using tags, but that doesn't seem like the way to go. Let's go select. Looking for level third person. And look at here you go. Okay, if I right click on this, can I look at the blueprints for this update pack blueprints? No. Asset actions. On this again. Select content to save. Okay, I'll save selected. I'm back here, but I don't want to see this. I want to see selection. No. Oh, is this it? Open level blueprint. Ah, that's what I wanted to do. Okay. Hey. Hey, Afix, how you doing? Saw you had a problem you're trying to solve. Maybe Chat GPT could give a hint. I have no clue about Unreal Engine, though. This is a brain coding stream, Afix. Thank you for coming on over. No, I have a very stubborn play style when it comes to streaming. And that is to refuse AI assistance. It is a very it's not a very popular opinion, but I'm just kind of doing brute force. You're not making pizza today, but I have. But you have leftover sauce that you made on Sunday. Thinking that you should reuse it tomorrow or Saturday. Thank you for your. Thank you for your thoughts. Why it is actor has tag and not actor is it? I don't know. Let's see. Have the add component target is actor. Let's see. Actor is actor type. Actor. Yeah, I use it plenty in my day to day. Enough that I need a respite from AI everything. You know what I mean? Let's just say, let's go print enter documentation. Should we try that? Let's try that. Is there like a get actor by type? That's what I was looking for. Yeah. When I went to third person, I had actor has tag, which I already have. Actor by type. Actor type. Find nearest actor. Get actor of class. Ooh. Find the first actor in the world of the specified class. Get all actors of class. Get all actors of class with tag. Get all actors. I want to know is get current, get actor, get class of actor. Get class. Get class? On asset data. Is that? No, that can't be it. Search for nodes matching actor object reference. That can't be it. Main actor. What's up, Mono? How you doing? That was a dumb joke about the children's game tag. Did you ever see that movie with what's her name and that guy and that other guy? Friends that have been playing the game of tag for the last 50 years or whatever. This can't be it. But he did. Yeah, I love that movie. What's his name? Shoot. From The Office. He plays Andy? John Hamm's in it. The dude who played Hawkeye is in it. Who else? Randall Park? No, now I gotta figure. Now I gotta go look at this up. (2018) Tag. Starring John Hamm, Jeremy Renner, Ed Helms, Jake Johnson. Ela Fisher? Is that how you pronounce her name? Ela Fisher? Yeah, that one. Can't stop making stupid jokes. You are in good company. Coca type. How to get current. So go back here. I believe it's get actor. Get all actors of class. Get actor. Get owner. Get actors. Get actor of class. Here we go. Okay. So we're going to throw this in here. Wait, not there. This one. Get class. Oh, I get class. Return value. And I got to so we get the actor, get the class, get actor of class, and then wait, do I hold on a second. We're doing replace. No. If I do that, then it gets rid of the current flow. I think what I have to do is do this false branch. So if it doesn't have the tag lava, or no, if it has the tag lava, then play the animation. If it doesn't, we're gonna go here. We're gonna get the actor of the class, and then if it is we're gonna print. We're gonna print. Oh wait, hold on. Return value. Get actor of class, and then we're gonna print. We're gonna print string. We're gonna print return value. Get the display name of the object. Okay, we're gonna try this. Compile and go. Okay, so if I do this. Okay, so it's showing SM Platform 2. And then as I hit this, boom, BP collectible. BP collectible. Okay, so that worked. BP collectible. Yep. Okay, we got it. You're going to make a Simpsons reference at work today, but you weren't sure it was too obscure a one to pull on a group whose Simpsons levels you don't know it. Yeah, you always have to gauge the Simpsons level of your audience. True. You gotta start with like the easy stuff, like don't have a cowman and monorail, and then go from there, right? Just kidding. I don't think monorail is as widely known as I think it is. Okay, so basically I have to do another check. Like, are you... And why do I have to do it here? Now this is the thing that's crazy. I have to do a counter somewhere. It seems like it should be done on the level third person. Like I feel like we need to have some sort of like a callback here that says, "Hey, by the way, you picked up the coin." Aurora Borealis? Yeah, that one too. Knowing how acquisition happy these people are, I wasn't sure if Buy 'Em Out Boys was gonna be. I didn't get rich by writing a lot of checks. And dental plan, yes. All the things. This is 912. I have an idea because there is the project that I was looking at before that has those collectibles in there. I think I want to give that a shot. I want to see what that does. StackoBot. Let's go back to StackoBot because there are coins in there. And I bet you they've got some sort of an event handler going on that shows me what it's all about. Level StackoBot. Okay, Stackabot. Yeah, so right there. You've got these. How come I can't see them? What are you hiding from us, game? What are you hiding from us? Why can I not see you? Interesting. So we're seeing a lot of static objects here when I just kind of like go around everywhere, but those coins are invisible. How can I see them from here? Okay, let's go to selection mode. Landscape? No. Foliage? No. Modeling mode? Fracture mode? You're invisible. This does not help. Let's take a look. There are 1,249 actors in here. I'm more interested in Snackobot. So I made myself some fries today with the air fryer. Freaking good, dude. So the air fryer came with this recipe book. It showed me how to make potato wedges. Went to the store, got me a big russet potato, chopped it into pieces, threw in some onion powder and garlic powder and salt and pepper and Parmesan cheese and olive oil. Threw that into the air fryer. Holy moly, dude. So good. Air fryer baked potatoes are the best. I agree. It was so good. And my kitchen smelled amazing. Couple that with some teriyaki chicken. It was a good night for eating. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything that says coins here. Aha, BP coin. Let's click on you. Ah, here you are. Now, this is a very interesting animation. They're like going up and down in elevation and spinning. Can I please look at if I edit BP coin? Oh boy, look at this. Okay, this is a sphere with an orb mesh. Interesting. Okay, but what I really am interested in is its event graph. Okay, I'm basically learning by dissecting this sample project. Set a bit of random starting rotation per instance. Neat. So in begin play, it sets the world rotation. Cast to BP pickup spline. Get attached parent actor. Set coin owner. If coin has a reference to pickup spline, whatever that is, then establish show order. I don't know what that is. Update primary coin. Target as BP pickup spline. Okay. I wonder if that has something to do with when you pick up a visible coin and then suddenly like the rest of the hidden coins show up. Maybe that's what that's going on. Hey, that coin is the logo of the tool you use to make games on. Nothing else. It's almost as if it was a Unreal Engine coin. R2 ADHD2, what is up? That's your stomping grounds? Oh, all right. I'm loving it. I am completely bewildered, though. I have no idea what I'm doing. I am trying to learn. I have a simple goal today. Well, two goals. One is to move from one level to the next, and the other goal is to how to persist data in memory. Or like what should be like the architecture for like storing like game data. That's the kind of stuff I'm looking into today. Do kids these days even know what Unreal was? As in the origin of the Unreal Engine? Open level. You're saying that is the... Oh, you persist data in the game instance class? Oh, okay. I have no idea how to find that. Do I need to put that in the level? See, I'm using StackObot right now. Just kind of tinker around inside the blueprints. We're working with blueprints. It's a function just called open level. Okay, so I've done that. Here, we'll go back to open project. One thing I don't like is that you have to like close your old project and have a new one open. I'm too spoiled by Xcode and like, you know, other IDEs that aren't graphic intensive. I guess that makes sense that you should get all of your resources. Okay, so I have done that before. Like I have done open level. Yeah, I've done this like when I die. So check this out. This is my game. Wait, hold on. Get out of here. Go back here. So currently, so this is my game. You played exclusively War Cow. You save game class? Oh, sweet. Oh man. Okay, so there's something for everything. So basically, the floor is lava. Okay, R2. So I jump down here and I'm like, and then like I reset. So this is my current flow, right? Like I've got a bunch of moving platforms. I'm trying to get to the end, right? And like I've got these collectibles that are like currently like slicing through. They're just kind of staying wherever. Basically, as soon as I either I hit the ceiling or I hit the lava, and then I die. And so what I did for I put this on third-person character. I don't know if this is the way to go, but what I did was check this out. So I basically on component hit, I was like, hey, do you have the lava tag? If so, I'm gonna play my death animation, and then I'm gonna delay, and then I'm gonna get my current level name, and then I'm gonna open level. And that's, yeah, so I did do open level for this. Unreal Tournament Game of the Year was a hot game back in the university days in the hostels, Megaland. Options is not for the name of the level. Oh. Okay. I think I tried, I don't know if I tried to drag it to here or not. But it was being funky. Is that how it goes? Disconnect options, and that should still work. Okay, let me see. Hold on. Control Z, Z, Z. Okay. So if I disconnect you, get out of here. How do I right click and disconnect? Right click, break this link. Okay, so if I were to do this, you're saying. Aha! Today I learned. Thanks, R2. Because you're opening none, so it reloads. Alt click. Oh, to break. Got it. Okay. So if I just do open level without any input arguments, it'll just load the current level. Is that what you're saying? Unreal Tournament was great, but you meant before tournament. Okay. Interesting. Okay, cool. I gotta figure out how to do full screen here. Okay, so perfect. That's cool. Thanks for that. So yeah, that's my current situation here. So what I'm trying to do is, I guess I want to focus first on collectibles. So like I see this like guy, and I'm like, well, so probably. If I'm doing the right now, this I've got the tag lava for where are you at? For my floor. I was gonna make a lava blueprint. Yeah, so I have a tag named lava here on the floor. And then I have like ceiling. Ceiling also has the tag lava. The only reason why I have it there is because that's what triggers the death animation. Anyway, that's what I currently have. I don't know where to send you tutorials, but look into gamedev.tv. I'll teach you a lot of basics. Oh, sweet. Check that out. Gamedev.tv. Gamedev. Introductory courses. Nice. Yeah, thanks very much. Check that out. Unreal's a beast, and that'll get you on the horse. Unreal is a beast. I mean, I get that it's been around for a long time, and that there are literally thousands upon thousands of features that I'll never ever use. But I'm just trying to kind of navigate a little bit to see about what it would take to cobble something together. They're on sale on Udemy like every other week. Oh, cool. I am having fun. Yes. The first time I tried this, so I did go to, so I was trying to follow along with some YouTube tutorials from, there's a guy called Ask a Dev. He's like a character artist, or was a character artist at Riot Games, at least a couple of years ago when he started the tutorials. And I was following along with his stuff there. It was really fun because like I was trying to learn how to do blueprints. Had some really great tutorials on algorithms and blueprints. So that was cool. Unfortunately, like just like anything else, I went through the series and then I promptly forgot everything because I focused on something else. So I get the basics of blueprints. I just don't know like what the things are that I need to call, and so that's where I get stuck. How did I do the moving platforms? I grabbed, what did I do? I made, so I've got my BP platform, or my SM platform. What's it called? SM platform? BP platform. I added a spline. And then I basically copied the logic from the Stackobot example. Basically using the event tick. And yeah, like I shamelessly copied their example here. That's all I did. And then in the level, like I've got the spline here that I was kind of like dragging and dropping. And that's how I did that. And then I had a couple of properties that like I can set inside the like order editor. So that's how I did that. They're on a spline. Yeah. Is that like not the standard way? I don't even know like what the standard way is. And that's I guess I don't know, like is that like an ignorant question to ask if there's a standard way? I guess like there's so many different ways to do something that I don't know like what is. I mean, there's got to be a best practices, right? I suppose. Is the spline reticulated? Reticulating splines. I love that. No, there's nothing wrong with the spline. Okay, good. Okay, cool. Gives you flexibility to change the path. Yeah, that's what I was going for because I was doing like just a bunch of like one. Well, I guess this is technically 2D now. So I've got one that's like going up and down. Many that are just going like forward and backward, and then this one is like going like at an angle. Oops. But I wanted to like make another one that like goes across like a train track path. I haven't created one of those yet, but yeah, eventually I'll get there. So then I was like, so basically with this on component hit, I was like, oh, did I step in lava? Okay. But I had to use the tag because I was like, it seems like the better way to do this is like an event handler of some kind that the level would take care of. But I don't know like where the best place to do that is. So I went down a path and it works. I want to know what's like the best way to do it. If that makes sense. Tag is a solid way to do that. Okay, cool. This game needs more Salinon, says Mono. I need to get right on that for sure. The level should not do it. The actor or the floor should do it. Okay. So we have the actor. Okay, so I get then my next question is, and notice I do have the tag open that says backseating allowed, backseating welcome. Basically, yeah, I am definitely in a student mode here, so I want to learn, everybody. Try to never make the level do stuff. Oh yeah? Okay. Interesting. Okay. No. I'm glad that you did, because no. No need to apologize. I am so open to this. Sometimes like if I'm playing games, I usually say no backseating, or it's like implied, like no spoilers or whatever. I guess that's not the same as backseating, but because I like to put my head against the wall, literally. But for this, I am absolutely like in student mode. So whatever wisdom you have to share, I would love it. It's just Unreal, and that's what I get paid for. So I started nerding out. Oh, nice. That's cool. Glad to have you here, R2. Grasshopper 5, exactly. So this is what I was gonna do for the coin collecting stuff, or for the collectible or whatever. Like, I need some place to store like the score, like number of coins collected. But what I think I remember you saying was there's a game instance class, and then there's a UE5 game class. Okay. Game instance. If we have no backseating on game streams, I think we need to ban MK Murray from God of War streams. Yeah, I guess I technically don't have no backseating on there. I just, I think most everyone is just waiting to see how long it'll take me before I crash out on those games. Okay, so the score gets stored temporarily in the game state. The game state tracks the current level stuff. You have no spoilers, right? No spoilers on the game. Yes, on here, yeah, it does not apply. Give me an Unreal spoiler. Yeah, absolutely. Then to save it permanently, you need to add it to the UE5 game. To transition between levels, you need to pass it into the game instance to hold it. There's a lot that goes on with this framework. Oh yeah, I bet. It just seems so overwhelming. You know what I'm saying? Like, here's what I did. I opened up. Wait, did I save any of this? Just from my mind, what I did was I went to go to, where are you at? Why do you not want to show me project? I have to go to this level in order for that to change. Okay. So, for example, I opened up Stackobot because I was like, oh, there's a way to go, yeah? Stackobot will show me the way. I know that there's like an hour-and-a-half long YouTube video attached to this sample game, but I haven't watched the video yet, and I probably should. But I always like forget to do it before stream starts, and I was like, I don't want to watch a YouTube video while I'm streaming. Like, I feel like that just gets kind of too crazy. So what I did was I was like, oh, I'm just gonna go to the level Stackobot. And then I'm going to, like, I can kind of navigate my way around the editor a little bit. So yeah, we were here on the coin. And then I'm glad I see it here because, like, at the very beginning of the level, see, I didn't used to see these before. I wonder why that is. Like, now I see them all over the place, but before I could, like, these weren't loading. I don't know why. That was weird. That's what I was saying, to take the tutorial, get you oriented, but a good thing to do is Google all the stuff at the beginning, tackling a project you want to do, then tutorialize and relearn when you get stuck. That's probably the way to go. Is, like, as far as like streaming, learning an engine, that's the thing that I'm still trying to figure out. Like, what does that look like? Is that me, like, just reading along a document and doing the thing, or do I just like tinker and all the things? Prisoner 849 kills the Scarge Queen and escapes. No spoilers, Kogatak. Come on now. I used to stream learning Unreal as me trying to get stuff done in Tinker, so you're fine. We should have started with Total Basic. Sprite Kit. That's what we should have done. Okay, cool. R2, thanks for the expertise. I appreciate it. So I'm on BP Coin, and if I get collected, look at this. Oh, trigger collection. This has got to be some custom method here. Yeah, this thing. Oh, here we go. Trigger collected. Okay, yeah. Because this has got to be like a custom thing, yeah. Trigger collection. Update coins. Target is BPI game instance. Get game instance. Okay. You just said you wanted spoilers for Unreal, so I provided them. Oh, did you clip it? Did you clip it? BPI is blueprint interface. Ah, yes. Blueprint interface game instance. Okay. So get the game instance. Oh, so they've got a is the game instance a variable here? See player character, actor transform, hidden location, coin index, coin owner. Coin index. Oh, each coin has an index assigned to it? Oh, interesting. I guess that's to keep track of how many coins are remaining, or... Interesting, okay. So you update coins. What does that do? Oh, I guess that's another... Target is BPI game instance. Read only. BPI game instance. Update close. Let's slowly back away. Oh, is this all C++ stuff? Oh, this doesn't look like, yeah, this doesn't look like they use blueprints for this. Or maybe I'm just, yeah, I don't know. What is this? What is this thing? Oh, you got mail. I don't know what that is. So it's a blueprint interface that talks to the current game instance class. Get game instance is a static function, meaning it can be run from anywhere. There's only one game instance at a time. Okay. Right on. So this is where I need to persist data. So I need a pen. I had a pen here. Where did it go? Here we go. Get some scratch paper. Hold on. I'll be right back. I need to draw myself a flowchart here. Wait, do I not have channel point redeems on here? I just realized. I think I turned them off when I was playing God of War on Saturday. One sec. Oh yeah, they're all disabled. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on a second. Checking here. I need to refresh these channel point rewards. Okay. If you refresh your browsers, you should see those now. So you're saying game instance is a static function, meaning it can be run from anywhere. There's only one game instance at a time. So you can get the one single game instance from any/everywhere. That is a blueprint originated interface. You just don't know how to use them yet. Oh, I see. This is the interface for the game instance. You need to create a new blueprint from the class uGame instance. Okay, let me go get a paper. Well, be right back. 2 keyboards now. Gotta make some space. Okay, so there's game instance class. And what was it? Yeah, game instance. Oh, CocoType brought the receipts. Oh shoot! As soon as I said you need to clip that, he was like, "I'll show you." By golly. This is a Simpsons reference that definitely everyone at work knows. Which one is this? Okay, so we're back. So game instance is what I want to use. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of StackObot. I'm gonna go back to my game. Open project Lava Spike. Can't wait. Okay, then set that as your project's game instance in your project settings, maps, and modes. Okay. They'll talk about Ralph Wiggum all the time? Oh, sweet. Okay, cool. You're home free then. So game instance is a singleton. Only one is allowed during the lifetime of the game application. save game is a serializable object. You need to subclass it in Blueprint to be able to add fields and functions to set fields. Okay, cool. Okay, so the first thing that we should do then is we already have game instance, but we need to create a new blueprint for save game. Okay. What we're gonna do is, let me see. So for game instance, I would like to, so I need to use that in tandem with the other one, save game, in order to define my my properties that I want to save. Okay, hold on a second. There's a static function to save game to slot and load game from slot. Okay. My CocoType's breath smells like new blueprint. All right, let's make a new blueprint. We got this. Okay, so we're going to make a new blueprint class, and we're going to subclass it. BP game instance from class game instance if you didn't already. Blueprint. Hey, oh, uh-oh. What happened? It got kind of stuck there for a second. Okay, we're going to go blueprint class. And then I just, do I just get it from here? Just the blueprint class? I don't know about Ralph loops. No, I don't know about Ralph loops. Interactive AI loops for iterative development using the Ralph Wiggum tech. All right, I'm gonna need to look at that later. New blueprint class is correct. Okay, and we're okay. I see. So we've got actor, pawn, character, player controller, game mode base, actor component, and scene component. Click on all classes. Select the parent class game instance. Game instance. Yeah, here we go. Just like that. and select. Nice. I think I did it. I think I did it correctly. R2 here being helpful and productive, while Mono and Coco Type are just being usual disruptive cells. See, this is what they do. They try to veer me off target, and then they enable the stay on target sound effect. Oh, we're on an ad break net. Ads. Okay. I'm going to read R2's instructions very carefully here, and hopefully by the end of the ad break, I will have something set up. What are you saying, Mono? A cat, Vicky Garnish? What? I was going to ask for a poll for who do we think from the dev core would most likely eat cat food. Then I remembered it's always compiled it. Yes. Depends if you can convince me to make it a pizza ingredient. BP game instance. Okay. Coco Type, thank you so much for the gift sub to R2. Oh man. I appreciate that. Yeah, no, that's very helpful. I appreciate that. How do we get him to eat pickles? I'll eat pickles. I love pickles. Okay, new. Then select the parent class U game instance. So if I click on this, I'm going to call this BP game instance. Is that okay? Or have I just committed an unpardonable sin? BP game instance, which is okay, so we have an event graph. Okay, I see. We have 4 overridable. We have override, we've got it in it, we've got network error, we got shutdown, we got travel error. Travel error. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is where we create new properties then? British Petroleum? Yes. That's what BP stands for. We're sorry. Edit project settings, maps and modes. Okay, let's check this out. Edit project settings, maps and modes. Okay, clicky. Okay, these settings are saved in default engine.ini, which is currently writable. Okay. Oh, I see. There's a field that says game instance class. And if I click on here, I tap on BP game instance. Yeah. Oh boy, we're in it to win it. Thank you, R2. All right, sweet. There's Control S to save, or does it automatically save? They're gonna use your new game instance. Now another new blueprint. Sweet. Oh, I am getting the star treatment from R2 here. This is awesome. Thank you so much. This time, new blueprint class, U save game. Okay. Let's go back to our content drawer, and we're gonna right click, and we're going to go to blueprint class, and this is on what was it? U save game. Learn how to type. It must be this one, yeah? This class acts as a base class for a save game object that can be used to save state about the game. Select. It's got to be it, yeah? I don't know why. Here, save game. And I'm going to call it BP save game. Nice. Yeah, we got this. Now. Everything's compiled. Okay, now what's next? We're just doing an impromptu tutorial here, led by our good friend R2 ADHD. Everything you want to save goes as a variable in the save game class. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna go save game, and I'm gonna double click on you. Now, so this is where I add variables like, for example, coins collected. and I call that I'll make that an integer. Just like that. For example, if I collected all these coins. Okay, I have a question for you, R2. I've noticed that in blueprints, all the variable names like start with uppercase. If I drag this over here, is that just a is the understanding that I should name all my variables with uppercase, like upper camel case, Pascal case? Okay, okay, all right. So now I know. Now I know. Coins collected. Click the little save game field on the right. Right there. Microsoft Visual Studio. Is that what we meant to do? Kebab case is so tasty. It is pretty tasty. Where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, okay, okay. Oh. Visual Studio has been updated to 17.14. And save game. Here's our header file. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Okay, very cool. No. The save game checkbox. Oh, okay. I meant to do that. Yeah, the save game checkbox. Click to open this source file in Visual Studio. That's not what we wanted to do. Okay, got it. Where is the save game box? Right here. This is what you were asking me to do. I see now. Very nice. Hungarian notation for booleans, by the way. BLS active, BLS open. Oh, okay. Camel case is also tasty. Everything's better than its screaming snake case. remember the, oh yeah, it was the pound define variables, right? In all of our Objective-C files back in the day. No, the checkbox on the right in the details. Oh. Where is the checkbox? This one? This down here, the all saved? The one that's behind my noggin? No? Well, okay, where am I looking? Checkbox. Where's the checkbox? Checkbox. Save. This one? Edit selection and power matrix. Guide me. Where am I going? The checkbox on the right in details. I don't see which one. Oh, I see. Okay, there's several checkboxes. Okay. So you want me to find the third from the bottom, which is save game. This guy. Should this variable be serialized for saved games? Okay. I've reached the limit of R2's patience. You're going to have fun here. Okay, I've got it. Okay, cool. This save game checkbox. Yeah, that makes sense now. So this field will be serialized now. Okay, nice. Very cool. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. I love it. Okay, so variable name. Okay. So every time I create a new variable, like if I said number of times frustrated R2, that means I have to also check this save game box. Is that right? Did you know that the save game checkbox gets bigger over time? Shut up. This is almost as good as Outer Odds. Yes. I love it. 3 viewers have spotted the checkbox. Listen, okay. Even with that tiny font, people knew where it was. That's awesome. Then you do something like create new save game object. Create it as this class. Cast to this class. Set the variable. Then save game to slot. So go to your game instance. All right. Let's go to the game instance. We're going to check this first. Beautiful. Compile. Okay, we're going to game instance. So we don't create a new variable here, right? Deleted. Oh no, I want to get rid of you. How do I delete? There we go. Perfect. Mr. President, a second checkbox has hit the interface. So here's my game instance, my BP game instance. Oh yeah. So override init. Okay, so I see the override init. Boom, Shazam. Okay. So override init, add something like a 3-second delay. Okay, I can do that. Delay. 3 seconds. 30 seconds. 3 seconds. And after I'm done, wait, let's zoom in here. Okay, after we're done here, now create save game. Create a save game. Okay, how do I do that? Create new save game object. Create save game object. Well, by golly, there it is. And our BP save game is the save game class. Our return value is going to be that's the the save game class. Okay. What class should you use? BP save game. Oh yeah, I got this. Yeah. Right, now set the variable from the object that comes out. Okay, we're gonna set it. Where does it go though? Where do I put it? Like a noisy co-working space. I don't know what's going on, but I'm enjoying the public chat with Coco. Yeah, whatever's going on. Making Outer Wilds references. The sun gets bigger before it explodes. Set your coins collected variable. Oh, sweet. Okay. Set coins collected. Oh, okay. So we can set it to just something random for now, just to see what it does. 3. And then after that, I have to save game to slot. Save game to slot. Look at that. Okay, so let's make sure that we go. That. Save game object. Select asset. I don't have an asset. Pass in the save game object you just created. There we go. Boom. Should probably drag that down a little bit. Yoink. Oh dear. Okay, we're good. Okay. You say give it the slot a name. It can be any name. My saved name. Okay. I'm looking forward to Nutter adding a flawless parry function and him never being able to hit it. It's true though. It will happen someday when I'm awfully low. Okay, so once I init this, 3-second delay, we get our BP save game class, we set it to coins collected 3, and then we save it in the slot name my saved game. Now when you want to load that save game, you do load save game from the slot, and then cast beep. Is there like a notes thing? Note? Cast to note class. I remember like if I had this and I pressed C, there's a comment. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna add a comment here. I need to capture the wisdom of R2 in this event graph. But only because he's hitting RB instead of RT for an hour. Hey, so let's just remember that I did do it correctly before. I did hit the correct button, and then for some reason I stopped. I don't know why. I blame the French fries. Just drop the blueprint nodes in the graph as a note-taking system. I don't think that makes it better. Wait, hold on. Let me make sure I didn't miss any messages here. So you load save game from slot. Okay. So when I want to do this, which is sometime, I'm probably going to want to load this on event init though, right? Like right now I'm saving, but maybe I do another delay and then I load it. Or do I could create another function. Load save game from slot, just drop that node somewhere. Okay. Load save game from slot. Okay. Only load it if you've already created the save game. Oh, okay. So you have to. So if. Oh, so I'm gonna need to like query the slots and say, hey, does my saved game exist? If it does, load it. If not, don't load it. How do I check to see all of the slot names? Does save game exist is a node? Does save game. Ah, nice. I love it. I love it. Okay, cool. This is great. Okay, so slot name is my saved game. Does it exist? If it does, then I load it. Same thing, and I probably should call this make this a constant somewhere, but I know that like if the user wants to create a save game and they get to like decide what the game name is and all that stuff, I understand that, but for now I'm just kind of looking at this flow here. Does save game exist? Oh, I do need a branch here. I need an if, a branch. If this is true, then do it. Nice. Okay, cool. Beautiful. So what I want to do is maybe I'm getting ahead of myself, but how often do we normally save a game? Like every time we pick up a coin, is like automatically save in the background, or I guess that's game dependent. I guess we have to be like, hey, you only save if you finish the level, or whatever. Yeah, I guess that doesn't make. Yeah, it's up to you to determine. Yeah. Do I off the red return value and type branch? Yep. Pass in the return value. Connect the return value to the condition. Yeah, we got it. So if we're true, then we load game from solve. If we're false, I guess we can ignore it. Yeah. Or if it doesn't exist, we could create it. Oh, I guess we could do that here, actually. When the level begins, we do a check if the save game exists. If it does, we load it. If it doesn't, we could create it. Yeah, we can do that. So off of a load game from slot, drag off the blue return value, search for cast to BP save game. Cast to BP save game. Okay, right on. Sweet. Whoop. So I've cast this to BP save game, and now save game has its properties. So if this is successful, if the cast failed, I might have to do something else. As BP save game, then I could get my coins, get coins collected, and then I could like put that. I could put that in a label somewhere, right? Yeah. I didn't even see your messages there, but yeah, we're on the. We're not on the same way. I'm getting there. I'm getting close. Thank you very much. And then on false, do you create save game logic? Yeah. Cool. So on the false, if the save game exists, yes. So I'm gonna. I'll go as far as learning. Then connect all this up to the init after the delay. And this happens once at the game startup, not every level load. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay. I need to store that right away. Happens once on game startup. Not every level load. It's a secret to everybody. Okay. Now let's see how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna probably let's get rid of the comment. No, that's not what I want to do. I want to get rid of this surrounding thing. I guess maybe I can't. Can I break? How do I get rid of the comment? Just delete? Ah, there we go. Okay. So after the delay, what we want to do is I want to drag this up here. Let me click on you. There we go. Okay. This comment. Okay, I'm having problems here. Hold on a second. I told you. Why does it not want to? If I've got like a nested comment, I think I'm confusing it. Let's compile it. Delay. Does save game exist? Yes. I'm gonna drag this up here. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go. Does it? Wait. I think I remembered. Was it Q? Nope. Q? Yeah, the Q hotkey. I am learning. Does it exist? Yes. Else, we're gonna drag it down here. Don't worry. We'll fix this in post. Drag you up here. The shortcuts yet. There, get out of here, comment. All right, nice, beautiful. Get my coins collected. Nice. And if it's false, then it's having a hard time here. Create the get save game object. Listen, guys. Let's just quietly and orderly get dragged over here. There we go. Oh, I know what's happening. It's this guy. He's like, what am I doing over here, man? Drag. There we go. Ah, perfect. Much better. Picard hated the Q hotkey. Gakutai. I love that actor. Who played Q. What's his name again? He was in My Little Pony. The cartoon. The new cartoon. Q. Okay. Delay. Does save game exist? False. Create save game object and all the things. There you go. That's a rudimentary save game. R2, thank you so much. Big shout out to R2. R2, do you happen to stream? Let's give a shout out to where is this interface? John Delancey is his name. You're on a stream break. Well, we're gonna give you a shout out anyway. I2ADHD2. Shazam! But when my office gets built, oh ho ho, I'm gonna tear it up. All right, well then, let's give you a follow right now then, so that next time you're on, I know when you're about to stream. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. No, thank you for helping me out. Like, I'm all about like devouring tutorials. I get into this loop where I get into tutorial loop. I get stuck in tutorials and I don't like make my own stuff. I just love to like follow along. I'm like, that was great. Now I'm gonna forget it all. So yeah, this is learning by doing is definitely learning by repeatedly doing is definitely helpful for me. Yeah, man. Okay, let's give this a shot. Happens once on game startup, not every level load. I guess we should print something out so that we can save game to slot, and then if it doesn't exist, then we create it, and then we should immediately then load game from slot. Because if we create the save game object, we set the coins, and then we can load it afterwards. Tutorial hell. That's right, tutorial hell. That's what I was searching for. Stuck doing tutorials, never building anything yourself. Yeah, exactly. This usually happens when you don't have anything to build for yourself. And I have something in mind that I want to do, and so I think that's gonna be helpful because I've got I don't have like a game design doc ready. I just know kind of like what I want to try out. So I think I just need to formalize it and then probably go from there. It's hard because I know that like there's like just a vast amount of stuff available in this engine. And so it's a little bit intimidating without like a clear plan in place. He's building the chiptune album in Unreal Engine. Shut up. I need a board. Yeah, I need a list. I just need to focus on it. Yeah. No, I'm gonna write my my book in Unreal Engine. Yes. My Swift UI book in Unreal Engine now. How's everyone doing, by the way? How's everyone's week going? Let's shine the spotlight off of me for a second. Pay no attention to my inability to finish what I start. Don't worry, that album is definitely coming out sometime in 2023. Yes, thank you. Where's the cat shade emoji? You should make one for Mocha. Put Mocha on with shades. It'll sell like hotcakes. Okay, so happens once on game startup, not every level. Okay, so let's just try it first of all. I need to see. Is there a way to like visualize? I'm sure there is. To actually watch like the path happening here. Do I do it here? I didn't see anything happen. Does save game exist? No. Create save game object. Set save game to slot. Does it exist? Then load game. Target. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna print. We're gonna print. Who's collected? Oh, I know. We're gonna print. Do a print string. We're gonna print, and it's gonna be the coins collected right there. Okay, so it should say the number 3 when this starts. I think. Yeah, there it is. It's very, very, very difficult to see because I need to see. Okay, there we go. Big. Up in here in the. Yes, the number 3. Okay, so that's showing us that we successfully saved a level of game instance to disk, and we loaded it from disk, and it printed the number of coins. Way to go, R2. What about a sensor bar? Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Surely you have more emote slots though, right? I think you should bring one with shades. You know, I feel like that's worthy of your time. I do, probably. You've got some animated ones too, right? I think we all got some animated emote slots back in the day. So big shout out and thanks to R2ADHD2 for helping me get finished with one of the 2 tasks today, which was to figure out how to persist data. That's very helpful. Okay, cool. So as we saw, when the level reloaded, we didn't get another 3. So what I need to do is I need to think about this logic here. Now that we have now that we've got the saved game object in our level, what we can do is let's see. Load game from slot, cast a BP save game. And then, so this shows the number of coins collected. What we need to do, we created the save game object, we set save game slot. Now what we need to do is, every time we get a BP collectible colliding with the player, we need to update that coins collected property. I haven't been able to find your shades recently, and don't think Manny would sit still with them on. What if you placed it inside a contraption that when they were eating their food and they lifted their head, the shades would be there, just hovering there. Then you could take a snapshot. Just an idea. Probably not going to work. All right. So here we have, we're back here on BP third person character. Well, yeah, that still doesn't resolve the issue where you haven't been able to find your shades. Okay, so step 1, find the shades. Yes. Okay, so we have actor tag lava. And then what we were trying to do here, we were trying to find get actor of class must be specified a result be done to reading C++ symbols. That's not right. Okay, what I wanted to do is say I'll go back to my game instance. Oh, cast. Oh, it's the cast. Cast a BP. If the cast succeeded. Okay, that's what I gotta do. Cast a BP underscore. Hold on. Other actor. So instead of get actor of class, I'm gonna try. Get actor of the class. Is that what I need to do? I just want to cast to BP collectible. So I'm not sure where to put this. Do I put this right here? Like right? Oh, during the false. Do I cast it? Do I get actor of class? Do I do this? Does this work? And if this succeeds, then I click on details. It was sunny again last weekend, so it's almost time to get the shades back out anyway. Looks like 2 birds with 1 stone. Get actor of class. I don't know if I can just take this node right here and actually cast it immediately. Maybe I can just do that. Maybe instead of like, well, I've already have actor has tag. Get class. Get actor of class. I feel like these might not be required. Maybe I just need to actor class. Oh no, this is fine, I suppose. Definitely can't put a bird on Manny's face. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to cast to my collectible. Return value goes to here, object. And then if this was true, then I need to get my instance. Get instance. Get instance. Get game instance. Game instance. Game instance. Game instance. Hold on a second. We'll go back. So here we get our BP save game. So I have to load game from slot here as well, probably. So load game from slot, my save. Oh, I gotta do this whole thing though. So here for the game instance, I do that. But now, maybe do I have to? So if this happened, if this is a branch. Oh wait. If this is already kind of a branch. This is already true. Never mind. Then what I need to do is get my game instance. Is that right? Game instance. Get game instance. No. No. How do I get it? As BP collectible, you could say get game Instance? No. Get instance? No. Let's see. How do I... Does save game exist? EP save game. Basically, I have to copy this. So does save game exist? I guess I don't have to worry about game instance. When do I worry about game instance and when do I not? On third, if I collide with my collectible, do I care about the game instance in this case, or do I just care about the save game? It feels like I just care about the save game. So if it's true, does save game exist? Basically, I'm copying again what I did before. In which case, it seems like, well, no, it's not going to be exactly the same as what happened here. Here's what I'm going to do. I feel like, I mean, this is me copying and pasting. But I don't want to do that. Well, I'm not, yeah, like I set it to 0, so. In this instance, I did set it to 3, just to make sure that it was working. But in reality, I would not set it to 3. It would be 0. So basically, get instance to save game, update coins collected, and then save again. But then I would need to like remove this. I would need to remove this. Once this is all done, I remove it from the level. So remove this instance. What do I do? Cast it to BP collectible. As BP collectible. What do I do? Remove from instance? Remove actor from layer? From layer? Remove, or just remove? Remove item? Remove item. How do I remove from parent? Remove from parent. Remove from parent? No? Remove. Let's just see what happens if I remove actor from layer. I'm not going to do the save game thing yet. I just want to try removing it as soon as let's try that. Okay, here. Oh, error. The current value of the layer pin is invalid. Layer in action. Remove actor from layer. Must have an input wired into it. Oh. I guess what I need is I need to find my. I guess I need to find the parent. Parent. Get parent actor. Or get owner. No. Get parent actor. If this actor was created by a child actor component. Okay, maybe that's not it. Okay, so I have a new goal. The new goal is to remove collectible from level. Oh. Well then. Let's get this on. Autosave. Phew. Remove the collectible from the level. Cast a VP collectible. If you did that. So there's a way to do that, I'm guessing. How help. Let's see. Remove. No. Remove actor from. Remove actor from layer. Remove actor from layers. Remove level from world. Remove actor instance. Removes all instance data for instance handle. I don't think that's what I want to do. Actor from binding. Data layer. Remove from parent. Removes the widget from its parent widget. Oh, you're not a widget though. Removes the pass-in actor from the actor list. Please note that the code actually doesn't physically remove the index, but rather clears it so other indices are still valid. Pardon. And the actor's array size doesn't change. If true, modify the level before removing the actor if in the editor. Okay. So remove the given element handle from this element list if it is in the list. So I still have to like find access to the level. I guess myself. Destroy actor is what I'm looking for. Okay. Destroy actor. Destroy the actor. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, so as soon as I hit it, it's going to destroy it. And then I should no longer see it. Oh, back to the level. And boom, it's gone. Yes! I destroyed it. It's gone forever. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Oh, and now it's back. Infinite money glitch. Blurp. Blurp. Okay, cool. What I want to do is, if that had worked though, I still need to. So that's done. Very nice. I think I died a few times though. I have 3 unsaved. Save the selected. Okay, so now it's time to get more of our coins here. So we're going to place some more coins. I'm going to click on you, and I'm going to Control D to get a duplicate, and I'm just going to bring this over here, and I'm going to set them on top of the original position. Cool. And now I'm going to Control D again. That's what programmers do. There we go. Whoop. That's yeah, we're going to make one for each platform. Okay. And maybe I make one. Maybe actually put one up here. Oh yes. All right. Cool. Bring you there. Okay, now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 coins. What are you trying to do with all these coins, man? Well, I'll tell you. I'll tell you what. What if... We got coin collecting. No, wait a second. Oh, shoot. Oh, look what just happened. Look what just happened. All of them disappeared. Did you guys see that? Why did that do that? Oh, why are all of you disappearing at once? Oh no. Hold on a minute. This is... something's wrong here. Component hit. Get the class. Get the actor of the class. Cast a BP collectible. Destroy actor. Maybe I need to destroy... So this is saying if I destroy the actor, basically all BP underscore collectibles are getting erased. Did you import government tax? Forgot to import government tax. What happened? Maybe this isn't the way. Maybe because I did a duplicate, maybe they are all referencing the same object. That doesn't make sense. So that one went away, but the other ones didn't. I can see in the upper right corner in the outliner that BP underscore collectible is grayed out, whereas collectibles 2 through 6 are not. Oh, but as soon as I take out 2, they all get taken out. What in the world? Try this again. So that took out BP 1 and 2. Okay, I've got some weird logic going on here. What's happening? Shoot. Okay, so destroy actor, is that really the way? All I did was say, hey, my component, if my class is a BP collectible, then destroy the actor. But maybe this is destroying all instances of said actor in there. In German, you must collect the coins in order. Ja. Or no, da. Is it ja or da? I think it's da. Das Coin. What is happening here? So... Actor hidden in game? No. Is there a... I wonder if there is some sort of a variable. Are they like spawned as a collective? Like it's ja. Da is Russian. Oh, that's right. Oh no, I have destroyed all the coins. Why have I destroyed all the coins? What is happening? Are there any weird things going on in BP Collectible? No. If the cast failed... Destroy instance? Okay, what does destroy actor actually do? Destroy the actor. But what else? So destroying actor. Okay, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna go back to our good old friend Stackobot. Seems like. We'll go back to Stackobot. I'm gonna be like, hey man, when I collect you, am I destroying the actor or am I destroying a reference? Or what? What am I doing? I'm on to Stackobot. Okay. Alright, buddy. Help me understand. I got a bunch of BP coin. There's a pickup spline. BP coin unloaded. I'm just gonna edit you. Just want to see what's going on. You must collect the coins in order. Update primary coin, coin index. Show coin. Bind event to show coins. Hide pickup. Set relative transform. Lerp location from actor location to player location with an offset, scaling it down over time. Okay. Begin. Get player pawn. Oh. Event actor begin overlap. Other actor. If you're equal... Oh, this is interesting. If the other actor on actor begin overlap is equal to my player pawn, then I trigger a collision where target is BP coin. And then collect coin transition. Play from start. Just no, look at it. It says destroy actor. Target self. So how come? Hey, Bone Dragon, what's up? Okay, so I see in this. Oh. This is being run on an instance of BP coin. Whereas what I've got is I'm doing a collision on third person, and I'm like, hey, did I run into a coin? Then as that coin, destroy the actor when animation is finished. So it looks like destroy actor is what I need to do, but for some reason it kills all of them. I don't know why. What does trigger collision look like again? Update coins. Oh, look at this. Target is BPI game instance. Look at that. Get game instance. Update coins. Set collision enabled. Random bool. Place center location. Get actor location. Spawn system at location. Stop show pickup. That's just the triggering the collection. But that's not the rest of the story. Now it's just I do that, and then once that's done, I destroy the actor. So that's all happening afterwards. And again, this is on the BP coin itself. Okay, I'm going to go back to Lava Spike. So here, I'm like, hey, other actor, are you a collectible? And this was destroying the actor. Do I need to break this link? Let's see what happens if I break this link. Okay, we're going to try this again. Wait. Save it all. Save selected. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And it destroyed me. It destroyed me. I am the actor. Ah, whoops. I meant to do that. Okay, so if you don't, it defaults to hurting yourself if you don't actually connect that. I see now. I see what's happening. Which means what I probably should do is what I was seeing in the Stacklebot, which is my collectible, my begin overlap. This is where I have to. I probably should self-contain destroy self. If okay. I'm going to say equals, I'm going to say, hey, get player pawn. Is that what it was? Get player pawn. And I was like, hey, return value, is it equal to this? then destroy actor. Set auto destroy. Oh, branch. If this is true, then destroy actor. Okay. So now instead of this trying to see, hey, am I BP collectible, destroy actor, all that stuff, I'm gonna not do anything. Let's just kill this connection. Break this thing. So nothing's gonna happen here. If it's false, nothing happens. Okay, here we go. We're gonna compile, and we're going to go back. We're gonna play, and now when I do this, give me. No, it did nothing. Ah, my eyes. No, why? Okay, what happened? Excuse me, I'm a BP collectible. Event actor begin overlap. Branch. If the other actor is the player pawn, and that's true, then I destroy self. Right? I'm gonna, first of all, I want to make sure that we're gonna print some string. We're gonna print coin, and then we're gonna destroy the actor. Okay, let's compile this. Let's run again. Okay, nothing ran. Okay, why is that? Is there something about BP collectible that does not trigger event actor begin overlap? Get player pawn, return value. Are you equal to this? I'm gonna do another print string. No. Though I know that at least if it's being hit. It did not get hit. Nothing got hit. Nothing got hit. Player collision. This is not being triggered. And buddy, I know that you are a underscore collectible. So what happened? Let's see. What properties do we have in here? Generate overlap events during. If true, this actor will generate overlap when spawned as part of level streaming, which includes initial level load. You might enable this in the case where a streaming level loads around an actor and you want begin and overlap events to trigger. Collision. Generate update overlap methods during. Generate events, update overlap during level default overlaps method during this. What is this? Reload for double bounds. Can be damaged. Okay, why is this not getting triggered? Oh, do I not? Maybe I don't have. Maybe I don't have a collider. Maybe that's what the problem is. Do I need a collider? Like I have a mesh. I think I need a collider add to here or to here. I add a component. Add collider. No. Add. There we go. Box collision. Capsule collision. Sphere collision. What's the best way to do this? I guess I'll do a box collision. Box collision. Okay, what does that look like in the viewport? Here's the cylinder. Here's the box. Okay. So what I need to do is, I didn't have collision. I guess let's just keep it like that for now. Just so I can see if it actually works. Okay, we're gonna compile, and now we're gonna play. No. Oh, wait, it works. It took a while. Hello there. Why do you not work? Now it did it? Okay, that's odd. So wait, so it only sometimes collides? This is very strange. Okay, hold on, I gotta look back here. Okay, so it is working, but I just have to make it bigger, I guess? No. Let me see. I'm gonna do the location. I got it. Okay. So is the cylinder itself? The cylinder itself was already collidable. Is that collision? Physics material overlap, generate overlap events. Can characters step up on? Yes. Collision presets. Block all dynamic. What does that mean? What does block all dynamic mean? World dynamic object that blocks all actors by default. All new custom channels will use its own default response. Oh. Okay. I don't know what that means. So I guess that just means that I need to make sure that my box is that's a collider box. And that should... I don't know why I would need to have an additional collider, but I guess I do. Now let's wait for this. Boom. There we go. Okay, that's all I needed then. I just needed a collider. Wait. So, like, sometimes it decides that it wants to collide and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. Okay, but now this is working. All right, cool. Whoop. Oh, I'm dead. Player of my own game. Oh, now in that instance, like it refused to like, see that? Like it wouldn't even, it was like, no, I'm not going to collide. I had to like, what is going on with that? What is going on with that? I don't understand. What was happening? Was I just barely like Was I out of bounds? What was happening? I did not get it. Okay, let's look at the box. The box is 1.5, 1.5. The cylinder is 1.1. I'm just gonna do 1.5 for all of them. 1.5 for all of them. I mean, that's a very liberal collision spot, but try it again. Oh, that got it. It was one over here that was like refusing to like trigger. Yeah, like what? What? I don't understand this. Is it because my character's not moving itself? It's just like on a moving platform, and so like collisions don't apply unless I'm like actively moving. Moving. That didn't do anything either. Move. Okay, that's weird to me. I don't know what to make of that. Collect all 6. Oh, that was a pretty sweet jump. Got him. Hey, hooray! All of them were gotten. Okay, so cool. So collision happens. What do we need to do? Basically, once a BP collectible has been by the way, like none of this actually happened. I didn't see any. I wasn't looking though. I didn't see any logging happening. Let me just double check. We're gonna save all of this here. Save selected. And go. So we have no 3. Oh, there, coin. Coin. Oh, that time it worked. I wonder if it was I wonder if we were working with an unsaved version of the level, and so it like wasn't. Oh no! See that it refuses to trigger collision if I'm just like passively just like standing on this platform. Just kidding, I lied. I don't understand. Feels like it's an arbitrary. Like sometimes it decides to follow it, and sometimes it doesn't. That's fine, I guess. Okay, cool. Now this is fine. What we're gonna do is, I guess the last thing that I wanted to do on collectible was, I don't need to print screen no anymore. If this works, I don't need to print this anymore. I just need to, what I need to is get game instance. I get the game instance and I cast to BP game instance, and that always happens. And then what do I do with the game instance? I get the world. I get the saved game. Am I not allowed to get the saved game for game object? Maybe I have to get load game from slot. So load game from slot, is that not I guess it's not allowed from load game from slot. Load game from slot. So I can load it here. Then why do I need to cast a game instance? Why would I need to do this? So back in the we'll go back to the other game, open project, StackleBot. Yes, save selected. Man, I did something to my shoulder. It's not happy with me. It does not like when I try stretching like that. I wonder if I messed up rotator cuff or something. That freaking sucks, man. Okay. We go back to StackleBot and we look at BP coin and we look at this is the trigger collection. We update coins. Target is BPI game instance. Get game instance, update coins. Oh, I see. That's what happens. So game instance we need to with our subclass, we need to provide some sort of a method that takes care of updating coins for us. Let's see what that actually looks like. Oh, right, it's read only. And I remember, so R2 was saying that like I haven't learned yet how to look at this. Let's see if I update, get coins. Hold Control Alt for more. A function graph allows you to encapsulate functionality and reuse it. Function graphs have a single input and output node with a single execution pin, but you can add as many input and output pins as you like. You can drag and drop a function from the my input. It doesn't look like it's allowing me to view it. Okay. What is this? Does nothing. The target is not implemented. Okay, yeah, it's still baffled about this part. Okay. Okay, so because that's hidden from me, I'm not quite sure yet what to do. So, in the meantime, it seems like I'm at the mercy of I've got I got a couple things I can do. I can either store collected coins as a temporary variable inside level, and then once the level is finished, I could update that value and then save, or every time that a coin is collected, if I care about its like uniqueness, yeah, this is where it goes into like, well, what is the purpose of these coins? Like, are they just coins that are always there, like a Mario level, or so like if you restart the level and you just keep on getting coins and that's it? I just find this interesting, this thing right here. Okay, seems like I've got some reading to do, probably offline, and yes. I think I'm gonna call it a night for tonight. Made some good progress, but yeah, I'm gonna spend some time. Looks like I need to learn some more basics here. There's go through tutorial hell. And then maybe I need to put a game plan for what exactly I want to do for this level. I've been kind of like just shooting from the hip as far as like, oh, let's try this, no, let's try this. But I think if I'm like, okay, here are the parameters for this game that I want to complete. Let's figure out how to do steps A through and then like just see through it that way. So I think that's what we're gonna call it for tonight, folks. Thanks so much for hanging out. We'll be doing more of these Unreal Engine game dev streams in the future. Saturday is God of War Ragnarok. We are coming back to some spectacular gameplay. Many thanks to the guest spot of the night, R2ADHD2, for Unreal Engine expertise. Thank you so much. Super helpful. That was very, very, very awesome. Very awesome stuff. Okay, we're done. Have a good night, everybody. We'll see you later.